Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to go through our weathering and erosion. It's actually not weathering and erosion, it is our biotic, abiotic stations. So let me change that. Biotic and abiotic stations. So what we're going to do is once you're opened up to the Google Slides from Classroom, you're going to click Present. And that's going to give you this lovely station here, and it's going to show you the whole presentation, okay? And this will help you move through the slideshow a little bit easier. So if you click your right and left arrows, or if you just click the slide, you can move through left and right of all the different pieces. So the first thing you're going to do is the input stations. You're going to have a paper that looks like this, and you are going to have to fill out all the different pieces. So explore it, watch it, read it, and research it are the 4 input stations. And if I click on one of these links, it's going to bring me directly to that station. So if I don't want to start with explore it, I can start with watch it. So if I click on watch it, I'm going to read some directions. If I click the next button, then I'm going to see that there's a video. And this video, when I click it, will automatically start to play. And then if I go to the next slide, I can answer some questions, which I then have to do on my watch it section of my lab report. So you have your paper, you need to fill it out. You need to do all of the stations, and you're going to work with your group on it. I want to show you about Explore It for a minute, which is up at the front. Explore It. There's a couple of different task cards. There's 5 of them. So your questions are here. It tells you to take the cards that are in front of you and organize them into different piles. Well, I gave you those cards on pages 6 and 7 of your PowerPoint slide. So you can move these around if you want, but you can also just think, okay, I have grass, water, soil, fungi, a lion, I have the sun, I have wind. How can I organize them? What are some things that are the same? What are some things that are different? Why are they all together? And then I'm able to answer the questions once I have them into piles. So just keep that in mind that you might have to look at another slide to help you answer a question. So that's with Explore It. Read it. I broke the reading up into separate paragraphs. So you have to read a couple different slides before you answer the questions. It showed you watch it. Explore It. I already did. For the output stations, you have write it, assess it, organize it, and illustrate it. So write it is more of like an open-ended short answer questions. Assess it are some multiple choice questions. And then organize it. Organize it asks you to take the words that I've put here and separate them into biotic and abiotic factors. And you're going to do that on your lab report down at the bottom where it says organize it. But you can also just use another sheet of paper or the back of your lab if you need more room, because there's nothing on it. And then the last thing you'll need to do is illustrate it. And it asks you to draw a food web or an ecosystem and include those different factors, biotic and abiotic, interactions between them, and some things competing for one another. So here, biotic factors competing for one abiotic. So that means like 2 animals fighting over water, or 2 animals fighting over sunlight, 2 plants fighting for sunlight, fighting for soil. I gave you a picture of all the different pages of your lab report. And of course, if you have any questions during this lab, you are to ask me. You don't have to go in order of the lab report. You can jump around, but you should work with your group and complete all of the activities. If something doesn't work on the slideshow, you just need to let me know and I will help you fix it. All right, guys, have a great day.